Here, Jai students, this is chapter 2, History for class 10th, Nationalism in India. So, here in the round table conference, second round table conference, a new problem was created that now Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who had organized a Dalit into a depressed class association in 1930, and he was very famous leader of Dalit. I mean to say that about scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So uh, the in this second round table conference, it was demanding that separate elections for Dalits. But Gandhiji began to fast unto the death because he was not satisfied and willing to accept the Ambedkar's demand. So Ambedkar ultimately uh, accepted Gandhiji's positions, and result was that Pune Act of September 1932 was accepted. This was known as Pune Act. So a type of compromise happened between Gandhiji and B.R. Ambedkar, because it can start a new struggle in society for ruling party. So it gives a depressed class ladder to be known as scheduled caste reserve seat in the provincial and central legislative council, but they were to be voted in by general elections. So the Dalit movement, however, continued to approaches of the Congress led national movements. And here a new problem was also created through by Muslim political organizations in India, that it was also a lukewarm to respond to the civil disobedience movement. Hindu religious nationalist groups like Hindu Mahasabha and other such type of groups who were included in Congress, and so Hindu and Muslim versus stand, each community organized religious processions with the militant fever, provoking Hindu-Muslim communal clash and riots in various cities. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, one of the leader of Muslim League, was willing to give up the demands of the separate electors, because he think that by the reserve seat in Central Assembly and representations in proportions to population in the Muslim dominance province, just like Bengal and Bihar, he can achieve much more seats. So negotiations of the questions, this was issued that all parties conference in 1928 depressed with M.R. Jayakar of the Hindu Mahasabha strongly opposed the efforts at the compromise. He was not in favor of this type of compromise, because the election was now turning in the way of religious way, as per the way of religious community. So Congress led a session of the Muslim could not respond to call for the united struggle. Muslim leaders and intellectuals represented their concern about the status of Muslim as a minority within India. So they were demanding for reserve seat as they were minority. So they were feared that the culture and identity of the minority would be submerged under the dominance of the Hindu majority. A new struggle was started at this time between Hindu and Muslim community for getting much more seat and in the reserved way Muslim community were demanding and the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So it was now being a clashed in Congress party for uh, reserved seat in the elections.